Now we're going to install the shift pins. This is the shift pin tool. Very important for getting these in. There's other ways to do it, but this is by far the easiest. We'll start off by the O-rings here. This is for taking shift pins out. If the shift pin is stuck in the end bell, you can insert this into the hole, and the O-rings in combination with the oil that's in the hole will create a suction, and you pull it out quickly, and then it will pull the shift pin out of its hole, and it will be laying down in that bore, and you can reach in with an Allen wrench and drag it out. But for installing the shift pins, we lay the pin down in the groove there, then we get a small Allen key and put behind it and lay it down in the groove. So what we do, this is going to go in the hole, and then we're going to turn this while holding a little bit of pressure inward on the Allen key until we find the hole in the end bell, and then we'll push it all the way in. So keep it upright so it doesn't fall out. Push it all the way in. Hold a little pressure on the Allen key and turn it. Now it went in, and it's all the way into the end bell now. I like to keep holding pressure on it while I take this out, and then I know that the shift pin has stayed in there. So next step is our shift actuator. The way this setup works is the shift pin that we just installed there is going to get pushed by the piston over, and it's going to push on here, and that's going to get pushed into this sensor housing. The magnet on the end here will make the switch react. So important to have this outer spring over it, this piece in first, so the magnet is looking at you once it's in, and we just push it in. Next, on our sensor, we just want to put a little bit of oil on the O-rings there. And we get it in there and push it in. You may have to hold it with your thumb while you put a screw in. And another screw. And then we'll tighten them with the Allen key. And that's it.